Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to your favorite channel, where we compare products to help you make the smartest purchases. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's going to make you want to fly high. It's the DROCON drone versus the istone i5 drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the camera quality. Both these drones are rocking 1080p HD cameras with 90 degrees adjustable lenses. But let's be real, folks. When it comes to capturing your I'm so fly selfies, which one will make you look like a drone-tastic superstar? DROCON's camera is pretty sweet, giving you a nice wide field of view. It's like having your own mini aerial photographer. And hey, you can connect it to your phone or iPad and start a live stream of your epic adventures. Just don't let your mom see you flying over the neighbor's pool party. On the other hand, the istone 5 also boasts a 1080p camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens. But here's the twist. You can adjust the lens remotely. So if you want to capture that perfect angle without landing the drone, istone's got your back. Plus, the real-time panoramic views via the app? Yeah, it's like having a bird's eye view without the bird poop. According to reviews, DROCON's camera quality is decent but not the best, while istone 5's camera tends to produce grainy and low-quality images. Next, let's talk about flight time, because nobody wants to be that person whose drone runs out of juice mid-air, right? DROCON comes with 2 batteries, giving you a total flight time of up to 24 minutes. That's plenty of time to impress your friends with your drone piloting skills or to get stuck in a tree. Hey, it happens to the best of us. But wait, the istone 5 swoops in with a whopping 30 minutes of flight time. That's right, folks, 30 minutes. You could practically film an entire episode of your life in the sky. Just make sure you don't run out of battery while spying on your ex. Reviews highlight that DROCON's extra battery is a big plus, while istone ISA 5's longer flight time is appreciated, but some users have experienced the drone flying away unexpectedly due to connection issues. Now, for all you beginners out there who are more likely to crash a drone than land it, let's see which of these flying gadgets is more user-friendly. DROCON's got headless mode, 1-key start, land, and altitude hold. Plus, it's got 3 speeds, so whether you're a newbie or a pro, you can find your comfort zone. And let's not forget the emergency stop feature, because sometimes the best way to avoid a crash is to just stop flying. The istone i5 isn't slacking either. It's got headless mode, 1-key start landing, and altitude hold too. But it goes a step further with hand gesture photo/video. So you can wave at your drone and it'll take a picture. Finally, you can get that perfect shot without looking like a dweeb pressing buttons. Reviewers find DROCON easy to use and set up, making it great for beginners. On the contrary, istone 5 has mixed feedback, with some users finding it difficult to control and losing connection frequently. Lastly, let's talk portability, because no one wants to lug around a drone the size of a small child. DROCON folds up nicely and comes with a suitcase. It's under 249 grams, so you can easily throw it in your backpack and hit the road. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Compact and ready to go. Istone i5 is also foldable and comes with a carrying case. In fact, it's so compact you could probably fit it in your pocket. But let's be honest, if you're putting a drone in your pocket, you're either a magician or you need bigger pockets. Reviewers appreciate DROCON's carrying case and portability. While istone 5 is also praised for its compactness, some users have had issues with the quality of the carrying case. Overall, DROCON drone reviews are quite positive, with users praising its ease of use, extra battery, and good build quality, though some have noted its camera could be better. On the other hand, Istone 5 drone has received mixed reviews, with users appreciating its long flight time and compactness, but criticizing its camera quality and connection reliability. So there you have it, folks. The DROCON drone and the Istone i5 drone. Both packed with features, both ready to make your drone dreams come true. Which one should you buy? Well, that's up to you. But if you ask me, it's like choosing between chocolate and vanilla. You really can't go wrong. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another Buy Smart showdown. Drop a comment below to let us know which drone you'd pick and why. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Peace out. Product links are in the description.